You can make a simple homemade thermometer with basic materials at home. It won't be as accurate as a lab instrument, but it will clearly show how temperature changes cause liquids to expand and contract. Materials you need are a clear plastic bottle, small size, a transparent drinking straw, modeling clay or putty to seal gaps, water, food coloring, optional to make the liquid visible, and a marker scale to mark levels on the straw or bottle. Take a small, clear plastic bottle and fill it about 1/4 with water. Add a few drops of food coloring so the liquid becomes more visible. Place a drinking straw into the bottle so that the bottom of the straw is submerged in the water but does not touch the base of the bottle. Use modeling clay or putty to seal the mouth of the bottle around the straw, making sure no air escapes. You will notice that the colored liquid rises a little inside the straw. When you put this thermometer in a warm place, such as near sunlight or in warm water, the liquid inside the bottle expands as it gets heated and pushes higher up the straw. If you place it in a colder environment, the liquid contracts and moves back down. This simple device works because liquids expand when heated and contract when cooled, and the narrow straw makes these small changes in volume easy to see. This is a fun science project for kids or classrooms to understand thermal expansion and how thermometers work. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.